Yo, today I'm going to show you guys how to get free Netflix. So as you can see, I got it right here. So I'm going to show you guys how to get Netflix for free and you don't have to pay for it. So what you want to do is go to this site, ogsnags.com. They have all these different coupons. So once you get onto the website, guys, we're just going to go to the search bar and type in Netflix. And as you can see, it says Netflix promo code. So go ahead and press on this, and then once it loads, guys, it's going to say free Netflix, and you just want to go ahead and press show coupon code, and it's going to generate you a code. Just wait for this to load. Now bear in mind, guys, we are now going to see a page that says get full code. So you want to go ahead and press on this, and then it's going to load you to a new page where you need to enter your email address. So you answer this question and then enter your email. So after you enter your email, they'll send you a code with your free Netflix. But I want to show you something because I'm not entering my email in this video. You're probably going to see a page like this after you enter your email where you got to register. So make sure you go ahead and fill this out. It's very important. And then you may see a page like this where you got to complete a deal. This is the final step. So the deal is usually like a game, and make sure it says $0 on the cost, and you have to reach like a certain level in the game. And then once you do that, like, your deal is done. And as you can see, it says earn credit towards your reward. So after you do the deal, they should send you the code with the free Netflix promo code. So be sure to subscribe if you guys want to see more tutorials like this. But that's how to get free Netflix, guys, in 2025. It works. It's super cool, as you can see. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video, but yeah, this is super cool. As you can see, I've fully got Netflix right now. So yeah, all you gotta do is enter your email, guys. Make sure you put in an email address that you can like access and like see the code from. So yeah, you can see right here to sign up with basic info. So yeah, it is super cool, guys. So I'm gonna see you in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you guys want to get free Netflix, guys. This is fully working. I've tried like a ton of different tutorials, but this is the only one I can actually recommend.